When you think of a British cottage garden, you think of hollyhocks. Hollyhocks are one of the prettiest flowers to add to a garden, and there are several varieties of hollyhock, including annuals, biennials and perennials. Hollyhock plants grow to just under 3 meters tall, with the gorgeous flowers. The flowers typically bloom in white, pink, red, yellow and black. These flowers can reach sizes of about 3 inches across. Typically, hollyhock plants take about a year to grow from seed. You can plant hollyhock seeds in the later months of summer to enjoy blooms the following summer. Alternatively, you can wait until late in winter or early in spring if you plan to start any transplants indoors. Prepare your soil by removing weeds and digging in plenty of well-rotted organic matter. I always add to my garden soil well-rotted chicken manure. As a non-synthetic organic fertilizer, chicken manure has numerous benefits. It is a complete fertilizer that contains the macronutrients nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as important micronutrients such as calcium needed for healthy plant growth. Chicken manure is more than a fertilizer though. It is also a good soil amendment. It adds organic matter to the soil, which improves soil structure, moisture holding, drainage capability, and aeration. Also, soil high in organic matter is less prone to erosion and retains fertilizer better. Dig a planting hole that is a little bit bigger than the plant's root ball. Remove the seedling gently from its pot. Inspect the roots. If the plant has been in the pot for a long time, the roots will start to wrap around and match the shape of the container. You now want those roots to grow outward into the surrounding soil. So, gently tease out the tips of the roots using your fingers. Place the plant in the prepared hole. The plant should sit at soil level. Fill in with soil around the root ball, and firm the soil around the plant with your hands. You don't want to pack the soil too tightly, but it needs to be solid enough to support the plant and hold the roots in place. Evenly spread a layer of organic fertilizer such well-rotted chicken manure around the new plant. Water well. Watering will encourage the plant's roots to grow into the soil. It also helps the plant settle firmly into its spot. The most important thing to know when growing hollyhocks. Hollyhocks need full sun and moist, rich, well-drained soil. So water newly planted hollyhocks and seedlings regularly. Once the plant is established, you can reduce watering but make sure they are watered in a drought. If you have good soil with plenty of nutrients, hollyhocks won't need any extra feed. While they may be old-fashioned flowers, hollyhocks definitely deserve a spot in today's gardens due to their tall stature and large, colorful blooms. I love growing hollyhock as it brings beauty to my organic garden. Happy organic gardening!